guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a fantastic day. If you're new here, my name is Amanda. I post weekly videos, lots of lifestyle content, so if that's your vibe, I'd love for you to consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button somewhere down here. It's absolutely free and you'll be helping my channel to grow, and I'd love to have you on board as well. Okay, so today's video is a Poundland haul. I've been to Poundland yet again. We've got a Poundland quite local to us, so I do pop in there sort of on a regular basis, you know, but not every time I pick up something. I just go in there to have a browse sometimes, you know, or to pick up like a little snack and so on, you know. But today I have a mixed bag of items for you from Poundland. I've got a few items of fashion from the Pep & Co. I've also got some garden items, like some garden accessories, and I've also got just some general items as well, but all worth showing you. Okay, so do stay tuned and watch the video to the end. So I'm going to get straight into the video. The first item I'm going to show you is this quick chips tray, and these are just absolutely brilliant because it's perforated, so you're getting your chips cooked both on the top and also on the bottom. You know, I also find these brilliant for pizza. Okay, so I don't actually own a pizza tray anymore. I've used the old one that I had of this for pizzas, you know, and it works perfectly for, you know, like a medium-sized pizza, you know, the ones that you get out of supermarkets and that. The pizza fits on here perfectly, and again, it cooks from underneath and then also on the top, of course. Okay, so this is £1 in Poundland, and it's a definite must-have. One of my favourite items actually from Poundland. So that's my first item. Okay, so the next item I picked up a few items for the garden and also for picnics. Now that we're getting this gorgeous summer weather, it's just been so lovely, hasn't it? We've been doing quite a lot of outdoors activities and meeting friends in the park for picnics and so on. So I picked up these lovely palm tree detail paper bowls, and these come in a pack of 8 for £1. Okay, I also picked up these paper plates as well. These are more like a side plate, are smaller than the standard paper plate, but I do actually like these because they're actually perfect for kids. You know, just put a sandwich on there and a snack and they're good to go. So you get a pack of 10 of these in Poundland for £1. I'm saying the prices because, as you know, or as you may not know, not everything in Poundland is £1 anymore. You know, some things have gone up to like £1.25, sort of creeping up, £1.25, £1.50, but these are £1. Okay, so I've got those. I also picked up these napkins. As you can see, I've got a palm tree vibe going on, or palm tree theme. So I picked up this palm leaf design napkins, and you get a pack of 20 of these, still for £1. Next up for the garden, this is a definite must-have. Okay, where we live quite near the fields, near the park, and we're getting mosquitoes. We're getting bugs buzzing around all over the place. So when I say all over the place, I mean in the garden. You know, you're in the garden, you just want to enjoy the garden without having a bee or a bug coming and sitting on your sandwich, or you know what I'm trying to say. So anyways, these are giant Citronella incense sticks. Okay, you get a pack of 10, still for £1 as well. So I've taken them out, I can smell how strong they are. But yeah, they look like this. Light the top of it there with a match or a lighter, and you can just pop this into the soil actually, and just have the scent of citronella just going around your garden. You know, perfect for getting rid of those bugs, mosquitoes and all that kind of thing. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so the next item I picked up in Poundland, this was actually a kind of like a bit of a splurge. Not splurge because it was only £1, but I was hoo-and-ahhing about should I get it or not. And I am so glad that I got it because I've actually used this as a hack. When I'm in the bath, I like to have my phone. I play some relaxing music. I might just scroll through on Instagram or onto my YouTube, you know, or watch a movie. So this is actually for the beach, okay? What it is, it's a waterproof phone protector, okay, but I use it in the bathroom and it's just brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. So it comes apart like so. You just put your phone, just grab my phone and show you, okay, just put your phone in there like so, and you clip it all up together and your phone becomes waterproof. Okay, your phone becomes waterproof. You can still use it, you can still scroll through, you know, it's just absolutely brilliant. And this is £1. You'll find this in like the travel area in Poundland. You know, that's where you can find these water resistant phone pouches, and they're just absolutely brilliant. So yeah, that's a £1 in Poundland. Love that item. Okay, so the next item that I picked up, I've got some more paper cups. Yes, this is a pack of 12 black and white monochrome paper cups, and these were £1 as well. Okay, so that's those. Okay, so next up I picked up some more allergy relief tablets. Now these are the film coated ones for hay fever, pet allergy, dust allergy, and also skin allergies. These work perfectly for me. I've tried some of the other brands, like some of the higher end brands, and they did nothing at all for me. But these, and the blue packet that you can get of these from most of the budget stores, are just absolutely brilliant. They work a dream for hay fever and allergies. These were £1 and you get 14 mini tablets, and that's the good thing about these. The tablets are so tiny. You see how tiny they are? So they're easy to swallow. You know, they're not like some of those like huge tablets that you can't swallow. And they're really nice and tiny. So okay, so next up I picked up some of this stick 'em up sellotape. So this is the wide sellotape in the clear, and these tapes are just, I mean, I won't say they're brilliant, but they're really affordable. You know, I've been elsewhere, especially in the post office. I've been caught out so many times in the post office where I've gone to post something, I've had to repackage it for whatever reason. They're selling one of these, okay, one of these reels of tapes for like £2, and Poundland have a double pack of these for £1. You know, it's a no-brainer really. I do get most of my stationery, you know, things like this, sellotape, glue dots, you know, glue sticks from Poundland because they're just so affordable and they do exactly the same job. Best place to get this is definitely Poundland. Okay, so just a couple of more items. So I picked up one of these coconut foot packs. I do absolutely love these. I get on really well with this. This is a nourishing foot pack, and it's just so lovely. I mean, the coconut scent in it is just so beautiful. You know, it gives you like Caribbean holiday kind of spa vibes, you know, and it's just good. It's just so good to look after your feet, you know, especially now the summer is finally here. You want to be wearing like sandals like these, or any kind of sandals with your toes out looking good, you know. So this is a good start for like a, you know, a DIY pedicure. And yeah, I just absolutely love this product. Again, this has to be one of my favorites from Poundland. So I picked up one item of like cleaning products, or disinfectant I should say, and it's this Lavender Haze by Astonish. I absolutely love this product for cleaning around the house with, even to clean like the patio with, like give the patio a nice disinfectant. It just makes the front yard smell really nice and floral, because it is in that scent Lavender Haze, which I just absolutely love this product, okay, by Astonish. So yeah, this is £1 in Poundland, and it goes a long way. So the next items that I picked up were some more of these stickers. Now these are absolutely brilliant. You know what I use these for, guys? These are the number stickers. So these come in handy for children's birthday cards. Okay, so you've got kids of all different ages. Oakley's got friends from like, I don't know, from all ages, you know. Most of them are turning 5 now, the same as him. Some of them are 6, some of them are 7, you know, friends and family like that. So I just tend to buy like a basic, not a basic, I tend to buy like a birthday card, a plain birthday card without any numbers on them. And I'll just stick one of these numbers onto the card to make it the age, and they work out really well. You know, for example, I'm going to just show you just a plain card like so. It just says happy birthday on it. It's got a nice design on there. But with those stickers, take a sticker off, age 3 for example, pop it onto the front of the card, and then that becomes a birthday card for a 3-year-old, you know. So you don't have to sort of look for a card that has number 3 on it already. These sticker numbers are just absolutely brilliant, and you can get 2 packs for £1 in Poundland, which is just absolutely amazing. So the next item that I picked up is something a little bit random. It's this hula hoop. It's a smaller size hula hoop. They had a larger size one as well. This was £1, okay, and I've got this to do a DIY with, actually for the autumn, not so much for the summer, for the autumn. So I've just got it now because you can't really find these in Poundland in the autumn time. And like I said, they did have it in a larger size as well. I think the larger one was also £1. I'm not sure, it might have been £1.50, but yeah, this is £1 in Poundland, and you can do so much great DIYs with this. So yeah, I've got that as well. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to show you a couple of items that I picked up in Pep & Co. I've got one item for myself that I'm going to show you, and then another item for my son Oakley. Now, I have got a Pep & Co haul coming up next week where I'm going to show you some more fashion items. But for today, I've only got this one item I'm going to show you. And I thought it would be worth showing to you so you get an idea of what I'm going to be bringing you next week. This dress actually is from Pep & Co from last year or even the year before. And I just absolutely love it. It's just a dress that I can just throw on. You know, it's one of those, I think they're called a tea dress or something like that. But it's just so cozy just to throw on and wear it with some sandals, you know, sandals like these, or flip-flops, or even a pair of Converse, you know. So I picked up this play suit in Pep & Co, and I just absolutely love it. It's really giving me like a summer vibes, you know, just something comfortable to wear in the garden, you know, rather than just wear a vest top and cycling shorts, which I do normally live in, you know. But this is just so comfortable. It's a loose fit. I've got it in a size medium, and this was £6, okay, in Pep & Co. So I'm not going to try it on, like I said, I'm going to do a full Pep & Co try and haul next week on the channel, so do stay tuned for that, okay. But this is just so lovely. It's also got these, like on the shoulder straps are just loose, like so. You can tie it to your own requirement, to your own size, which I do like this kind of style of adjustable straps, because, you know, sometimes you want to wear it a bit loose on the shoulder, you might want to wear it off the shoulder, or you might want to wear it a bit more tighter, you know. But yeah, this is just so lovely. Like I said, it's a play suit, £6 in Pep & Co, okay. So these are just so lovely. I absolutely love them. I've worn them once already and they are so comfortable. These came in at £8. So as you can see, it's got that lovely wide bar going across the foot area there. Got an ankle strap with silver buckles, and these are just so lovely on. And then the next item that I picked up was for little Oakley, and it's this set. So this set says California Ride the Wave Surf Dude, and it's a lovely kind of like a waterproof, like surfing kind of material. He absolutely loves it. It's a really good quality t-shirt. And I forgot to say, it actually comes with shorts as well. But the shorts are more like swimming trunks, you know, that kind of material, but a bit more thicker than a swimming trunk. I mean, this kind of outfit is perfect for like when you just come out of the pool and you just want to keep yourself dry, but not so, you know, dry, but not having the clothes clinging to you. So that's why I've got this for him. And I got it in a size 5 to 6. And this was £6 in Pep & Co. Okay. So the next items I'm going to show you is just some items for the garden that I picked up. And that's my last items. I picked up these cushions, which I just absolutely love. Now, you buy them individually. They're £2 each, I think. £2 or £1.50 each. They've got the tie bit here that you can tie onto your chair. Picked up 4 of them because we have 4 chairs in the garden. So these also came in yellow. This kind of sort of like yellow mustardy colour. They're really nice as well. Do like them. They seem like a good quality. They seem very padded, you know. And whether they're £2 or £1.50, I thought that was really good price. You know, so I got 4 of those. So that's my last item from this Poundland haul today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. I'd love to have you on board. Love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So like I said in the intro, I do post weekly videos. So lots of lifestyle content, shopping hauls like this one here, DIYs. I've got garden content coming your way as well. So yeah, so if that's your kind of vibe and you like to see more, do consider hitting the subscribe button. You'll be helping my channel to grow, and you'll be following me on this amazing journey. I absolutely love YouTube. I've met some lovely new friends on here, and you guys, the viewers watching, I so much appreciate you guys watching my videos and commenting and everything like that. If there's anything you'd like to see on the channel, do let me know in the comments down below. And also do let me know which was your favorite item from today's video. I've got to say, mine has to be these sandals from Pep & Co. They're just so lovely and so comfortable. And also these cushions. okay, these cushions. But you know, as always, everything that I've shown you today I absolutely love, and they're just so affordable as well. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Take care, keep well, and I shall see you very soon on my next video. Thanks for watching.